So today we'll discuss about Oracle functions. So Oracle function means we are going to discuss a user-defined function, or also called user function. Actually, functions, when we write a function, it is a set of PLSQL statement to perform any task. It can be calculation, any arithmetic operation, any logical operation, anything looping, branching, if then else, and so on. So actually, these functions are very similar to the procedure in Oracle, but in case of function, it returns a value, but in procedure, it does not returns a value. So for function, it is must to have written some values. And the most important thing is that the user function can be used as a part of SQL expression. That I will let you know as we go on further slide. Now the basic concept is, like, suppose we have written one some function to find the grade of a student. So the input to the function is a marks percentage, and output the grade, it is calculated by this particular function. So it's very simple, just like it takes some input, performs some operation, and gives the output. That is how it works. Now the function definition. Function definition is very simple. Like we have initially function name, create or replace function name, whatever function you want, and create or replace is used like if the function with same name and any function is was already there, then this will replace that function. Or if any function is not there, then it will create a new function. Parameter function or parameter values are like the parameters. Like in our case, it is marks percentage is the parameter. Based on the marks percentage, our function will calculate the grade. And or for every function there should be a return data type. So in our case it will be a character data type, which is varchar2 in Oracle. You can use is or as, and after is or as there will be a local variables like whatever we used inside the body of the function, those variables. Then we have begin statement, then number of consecutive statement, then return statement, and end of function. So let's see how to write the function from here. So currently we have the student database which has roll number, name, class, and marks. So grade is not there. So we will write the function to calculate the grade of the student. So let's see how to write the function. We'll start from beginning. Create or replace function. Function name is calculate grade. You can give any name, but it should be like meaningful name. Then parameter. Then the input parameter is marks, is of type input, and data type is number. Marks will always be a number. Okay, so we will use only one parameter, and return is varchar, varchar2, which is like a string type, is. Now here we will define the local variable which is grade. Grade is of type where grade is begin if we marks lesser than 60, it is 60% lesser than 60%, then L grade is equal to D. We can write like this also, grade D. Okay. Else if it is between greater or equal 60 and lesser or equal 70, and then we will write here, then our grade is equal to, we will write grade C. Okay. Else if, then we'll see next condition, if it is greater or equal 71 and lesser or equal 80, then is grade B, and grade is equal to grade B. Else, if it is greater than 80, so it will simply comes under else. Grade is equal to A. Okay. Then end if till the end of if statement, then we'll return, function has to return some value. So whatever grade we have calculated, you have to return that one. L grade. Okay. Now function is created. Let's run this one. Function created. Now suppose if we want to run this, declare equal to function name is calculate grade. Calculate grade will pass some value. Suppose we'll pass 5 to the function. Then let's see, and print grade, print dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Grade is equal to grade. Let's run this one. We are passing the value of 55 to the function grade. Let's see what it calculates. Here semicolon is missing. Let's see. Grade is equal to grade D. Same way, if I will write something greater than 80, 85, see grade is equal to grade A. Same way, guys, we have this student database. Now we have seen this a user function can be used as a part of SQL expression. So we can use in the SQL statement. We'll call this in SQL statement. So we have this table where grade is not there. Grade function we have already written there. Just we will attach this call calculate grade. We will pass marks percent. Okay, marks percent. We'll give the header as grade. So if we run this, so now we are getting this one. See Mohan 87% grade A. John 72% grade B. Then Shahid 91% grade A. Manpreet 65% grade C. So this is how it calculates. So same way, if I want to show you before execution and after execution, like before execution the grade is empty, and after execution it got the grade, so it will display like this. So this is how function works in Oracle. So if you have any question, please write in the comment box, and please like and subscribe my channel and join my online courses. Thank you very much.